Oh my god. Paano siya? Oh my. So, uwi na tayo kasi nagsisimula na yung snowstorm, so baka it might intensify mamaya eh. So we wanna avoid that. Good thing is tayo naman is malapit lang sa office, so not much risk. Mas delikado po ito sa mga nag-drive, especially if you're like several kilometers away from downtown. Medyo delikado. So kaya minabuti ko nang mag-boots talaga today because nalaman ko na tong may warning na since yesterday pa. So dito po kasi yung talaga namin, the trick is you really need to be checking AccuWeather. Otherwise masusurpresa ka na lang. Manageable pa naman kung umuwi, hindi pa ganun talaga kalakas. But again, we're expecting it to intensify probably few hours from now. So they're like saying in AccuWeather, just say late afternoon, no specific time.
Yeah.
Well, better to go home early than be sorry later if
Yeah, exactly.
it's getting stronger.
Yeah, I think like
Yeah. Right, I can still make it. Alright, see you. Have a good day. So that guy na nakausap natin along the way, same company kami. Malaki kasi yung company, so you don't know everybody. So ang lakas na niya, and who knows gano'n na ito kalakas at 6 o'clock. I'll have to fetch my wife from work later. Hopefully wag naman sana lalakas masyado during that time. Buti na lang nakaboots ako, otherwise madulas tong ganito, ganyan. Yung pa, little accumulation pa, madulas yan. Grabe naman. naman. Nakakatulong yung glasses. Otherwise, direct contact sana. Dapat pala nagparka na ako. Hindi ako nagparka eh. What I'm wearing right now is actually just winter jacket pa naman din, pero not as efficient as parka, kasi with the parka kasi it can block yung yung snow from coming into your face. But good thing may glasses ako, so it won't have direct contact to my eye. So, malinaw pa naman. Sobrang blessing talaga yung bahay namin. Yan, yung building na yan. Kasi when we arrived here, that was during the pandemic. So, saan ka makakita nun? Ano talaga, I really know that God was really at work. Because, can you imagine, yung namin, very smooth yung process eh. And we got this apartment while we were still in the Philippines. So, thanks to our cousin na tumulong to process this. And also, good thing is yung nag-process dito is a Filipina, so kababayan din natin. So she helped us out with all the requirements and we got this apartment building. And to our surprise, amazing thing ginawa ni Lord is libre kami 2 months. So January and February libre kami. So ganun siya katindi yung ginawa ni Lord dito. Who would have thought? So laking tulong kasi, especially if you're moving to a new place, to a new country, you need to stabilize pa eh, and it will impact especially on your budget then. So to be able to get the house for free, the apartment for free for 2 months, that's already a savings of 2,800 Canadian dollars. So diba, more or less 115,000 na din yun. Oh, malapit na tayo. And but I will have to wait for a while kasi yun, ano din, ibababa din tayo kasi I'll fetch my wife later. Hopefully pauwiin siya ng maaga. Kasi mahirap to pag dumilim tapos ganito. Oh my God, paano siya? Oh my God, yun guys, na ano siya. Ay my God, yung Tim Hortons pa niya oh. Talaga yun pag snow, yung risk talaga, madudlas ka. So nandito na tayo and thank God nakauwi tayo ng maayos.